Hello and welcome to this video on factory method design pattern. इस वीडियो में हम फैक्ट्री मेथड डिज़ाइन पैटर्न को एग्जांपल के साथ समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं जिसको हम इस वीडियो में फैक्ट्री मेथड के साथ सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो लेट्स understand the problem statement first. Design and implement a logistics management application, right? And your application should be able to handle transportation by trucks, ships, right? And it should be extendable to include other mode of transportation in future. So basically आपको क्या करना है, एक transportation logistic system बनाना है which should be able to handle the transportations via truck and ships, and in future अगर कोई नया mode of transportation आता है that should also be able to handle, right? So if we try to implement this to solve this problem, right, how can we achieve this, how can we solve this using simple object oriented programming? तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एक ट्रांसपोर्ट करके एक इंटरफेस बना सकते हैं जिसको ट्रक, शिप्स और वट एवर अदर मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वी आर गोइंग टू हैंडल इन फ्यूचर कैन एक्सटेंड दिस सिंपल ट्रक क्लास, राइट, ट्रक इंटरफेस, right? And this truck interface defines a method called deliver, which will be called when the particular mode of transportation is going to deliver something. जैसे अगर ट्रक कुछ डिलीवर करता है then its deliver method will be called, and similarly for ship, right? So truck is a concrete class, ship is a concrete class which will implement the deliver method, right? Now in our application, in our logistic application, we will be defining a planned delivery method, right? Planned delivery method whose implementation might look like this. जैसे first of all we will instantiate, we will have a variable which will hold the instance for a transportation method, right? जैसे अगर I called the planned delivery method with the transport type as truck, right, then it will create a new instance for truck. Similarly अगर मैं ship से कराना चाहता हूँ then I'll create a new instance for ship, and then finally I'll call the transport dot deliver which will complete my planned delivery, right? This is simple implementation, and अगर कोई future में नया ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मोड आता है then I'll have to write else if नया type and then deliver it, basically create a new instance and then deliver it, right? But the problem with the solution is that our code, whenever there is a new mode of transportation comes, let's say by airplane, right, अगर कोई नया आता है then we will have to modify our code to update this mode of transportation in our planned delivery method, right? So basically यहाँ पर हमको else if transportation type airplane, let's say airplane डालना पड़ेगा, right, which is making our code open for modification, right, which is against our design principle. So how can we solve this problem? We can solve this problem using factory design pattern, factory method design pattern. So let's first understand the factory method design pattern, and then we will try to solve this problem using factory method design pattern. So what does factory method design pattern do? It defines an interface for creating an object, but it lets subclass decide which class to instantiate, right? Factory method lets the subclass defer instantiation to subclasses. Simple है. It defines an interface for creating an object. It lets subclass decide. मतलब ये इंटरफेस डिफाइन करता है, बट इट डेलीगेट्स द ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्रिएशन पार्ट टू इट्स सब क्लासेस। जैसे यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, मेन क्लास के अंदर ही सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स क्रिएशन कर रहे थे। नो, वी हैव टू डेलीगेट दिस टू सब क्लासेस। सो हाउ डज इट डू दैट? देखो दो चीजें हैं, वन इज कंक्रीट प्रोडक्ट क्लास, कंक्रीट सॉरी वन इज प्रोडक्ट इंटरफेस, and another is creator class, right? What is this product interface? In our example we saw the transport method, the transport interface, right? So transport, understand transport as a product for now, right? And it can have its concrete implementations, right, which implement the do stuff method, right? And what is a creator? Creator is a abstract class which defines a factory method, to create these products, and the subclass of this abstract class will implement this factory method to create different types of products। ठीक है, समझ में आया? बेसिकली this creator class is not directly creating, created abstract class is not directly creating the products, but it is delegating this creation part to its subclasses, right? And inside this sum operation method, it will basically create this product P, create product, by calling the abstract method, and then it will perform the do stuff method, which is this, right? We will see in the implementation after this explanation. So basically these concrete class are now responsible for creating the concrete products, right? The concrete class are responsible for creating one or more concrete product. It is the only class that has the knowledge of how to create these products। सही है? बेसिकली डेलीगेट कर दिया क्रिएटर ने इट्स की सब क्लासेस को टू क्रिएट concrete products। That is simply a factory method design pattern, basically defining a method to create concrete products। ठीक है, now let's understand the implementation of our example। So we had a logistic class, we now have converted it to logistic abstract class, जहाँ पे create transportation is an abstract method, right? This abstract method need to be implemented by its subclasses, and the plan delivery method looks something like this: transport T is equal to create a transport, this is the method which is being called, and then T dot deliver, right? Transport is our product and it is an interface जो कि multiple transport mediums can implement। जैसे एक truck is a transport medium, ship is a transport medium, right? Similarly airplane can also be a transport medium। They implement this transport class, and then our abstract class defines a method plan delivery which will be called by the client to plan the delivery, right? And at the time of planning delivery, the subclasses will be creating the concrete transport medium. Road logistics will be creating truck transport, and sea logistic will be creating a ship transport, right? And then finally the plan delivery method will call the deliver method। Simple है? Now let's directly jump to our VS Code to see the implementation। So I've created this index.ts file। Let's first start by creating the product interface, product related interface and classes. Product. So interface, let's define an interface for transport product. Transport, and it can deliver, right? And it doesn't return anything, so let's define the type as white. All right, now let's define a class called truck which implements this transport. Class truck implements transport. ऑल राइट, एंड इसके अंदर क्या क्या इम्प्लीमेंट करना है? डिलीवर मेथड इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. सो बेसिकली डिलीवर विल जस्ट कंसोल लॉग करा लेते हैं फॉर नाउ. कंसोल डॉट लॉग delivered by truck transport via road. ऑल राइट, एक और ट्रांसपोर्ट ट्रांसपोर्ट ले लेते हैं, ट्रांसपोर्ट मीडियम बेसिकली शिप, राइट? एंड द शिप via C. ठीक है. Now these are our product classes and interfaces. Now let's define our creator classes and interfaces. Creator, let's define an abstract creator class. Abstract class logistics. ठीक है. इसके अंदर let's define a method plan delivery. ठीक है. एंड और एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड डिफाइन करते हैं विच विल बी गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय द सब क्लासेस. क्रिएट ट्रांसपोर्ट. क्रिएट ट्रांसपोर्ट which returns the transport. ठीक है. Now inside our plan delivery method we have to figure out the transport by calling this dot create transport method, and then finally we'll call transport dot deliver method. सही है. अब client only knows this method. ठीक है. Now abstract class हमने डिफाइन कर ही लिया है. Now let's define the concrete creator classes. ठीक है. तो लेट्स से क्लास सबसे पहले हम डिफाइन करते हैं रोड लॉजिस्टिक्स. रोड लॉजिस्टिक्स एक्सटेंड G-sticks. इसके अंदर लेट्स रिटर्न न्यू शिप, truck is the medium, right? truck, and एक और डिफाइन करते हैं फॉर C लॉजिस्टिक, है ना, which will return ship. Simple. Now let's understand the uses. एक क्लाइंट कोड डिफाइन करते हैं, क्लाइंट कोड मेथड डिफाइन करते हैं which will take logistics method, logistics instance, and will console log logistics dot plan delivery. ठीक है. And then finally Let's define our logistic classes. Let's create in some instances. Constant logistics 1 is equal to new road logistics. एक logistics इसका define कर लिया और एक logistics 2 equal to new let's say C logistics define कर लिया है, का instance बना लिया है. And let's say first time our app launches with the road logistics. So app launched with the logistics, road logistics, the logistics, and then we call the client code with the instance for logistic road logistics. And let's say on second time we launched our application with C logistic, and then we call the client code. Yeah, so let's first fix this. We don't have to console log the logistic plan delivery. It will only log by itself. ठीक है, तो logistic dot plan delivery will be called by client code. Client doesn't know about कि कौन सा logistic है. It is just relying on the logistics abstract class, and it just calls the plan delivery. It is not even aware कि ये C logistic है या फिर road logistic है. It just call the plan delivery method. Let's run the program again. First time we launched our application with road logistics. So we delivered our logistics using truck transport via road. And second time when we launched our application with C logistics, we delivered our logistics via ship transport via C. So this is how we can implement our factory method pattern. If you have any suggestion and feedback, please share in the comment section. Thank you.